All right, we're back at it again. Except we're in a new location. We are at Splash Kingdom this time, the one we passed the other day when we went. It's kind of windy. It looks like the storm is coming back this way, but it said it was going towards Shreveport. Anyways, just stay away until about 6:30. That way it gives me time to get the drone shots afterwards. And then it can rain. Okay, so I left my phone at the gift shop. I'm running around frantic trying to find it when we already have not a lot of time. So, where do you want to go?
We go to the lazy river just to get wet, or we go straight to a slide. I feel like lazy river is just a good starting point.
So let's head there. Making his way up to the belt. Creepazoids. Ooh. Wait. Grab that one, I'll grab the other one. Oh, there's people under that one. They're scared to grab that one. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. Now it's chill time. All right, story time. I just told Tucker. Okay, so when I was a kid, this was like my hangout spot because this yellow slide, I'd be like, oh, I rode the yellow slide. And everybody's like, the little baby yellow slide. I was like, so it's still yellow because everybody was talking about that one. But I eventually rode that one. That little kid. How is he a strong swimmer?
I don't see how he could be, but...
Oh, that's cool, yeah. Thank you. Ah, there he goes. Was like, hey, if you want to see your friend go down in the thing, she's like, come over here and get this shot. I was like, yeah, you're so cool. So I just shout out to the lifeguard up there. So we're going on the blue one?
Yeah.
Blue Thunder. Climbing up the stairs. Holy cow. Oh, there they go. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, you go so much faster than I remember. Yeah. This is cool. Oh my gosh, here it is. Woo!
You ready?
Yeah. I think I like the blue one better though.
Yeah, I
But yeah, I think it's more closed, so it's not as wide, so you can't go as fast.
Yeah.
So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna enjoy the last few minutes without a camera, and just enjoy it. So enjoy these drone shots, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Just remember, spread love, not hate. When life gets blurry, adjust your focus. Peace.
Inside you.